How's it going today, fellas? Today we're checking out a 1981 Toyota regular cab 1-ton long bed. Ooh, not too shabby, buddy. Just driven 70,000 miles and dude, 3 grand. Not too freaking shabby at all. I'd so go and slap this guy in the face, be like, take my money. Dude, this thing's freaking gorgeous. Let's do a day go and Rome GA. Oh, you're way out there. Come on, man. I mean, it's got a manual transmission. Let's see what we're cooking with in C translation. It's got a 4-cylinder 20R 5-speed long bed motor and transmission are good. Needs new gas lines. I mean, fair enough. I mean, dude, this thing, oh, looking pretty fucking rusted underneath there, bucko. But hey, ain't looking too shabby. Like, honestly, just fucking gorgeous all the way around. Buddy must have took this for a quick bag. Be like, nah, if I'm gonna sell, I'm gonna give it a quick bag. Have some fun with it one more last time. I mean, seats are absolutely trash to thrash, and more as like yikes. But honestly, this thing ain't looking too shabby. It's looking pretty freaking gorgeous. Woo. Yeah, frame's all right. I mean, it's all a lot of surface rust, at least from what I'm thinking and seeing as more as, and so ain't too shabby. I mean, yeah, it needs a lot of love here and there, but honestly, this thing ain't looking too bad. I mean, fellas, would you go and cop this for 3 grand? I absolutely sure would. I'd go slap him on the face and be like, pay my money. Or would you rather end up buying this $4,200 1985 Toyota Resortad? Resortad Cama large, long bed EFI. I'm not even gonna try to go with the rest of it. Just seeing everything else, like, oh, that's all pretty freaking rusties. Maybe is it just surface rust? Tread looks decent, I guess. On the tires, can use a bit of love here and there. Driven 125,000 miles, more as in. So what are we cooking with? Wait, is this the same guy? I think this is the same guy. He's selling this one, and he's selling this one. So I just came across two from the same guy without even trying. Like, I could have thrown these in two different videos and not even realize it. But no, I'm like just catching on now. Buddy's literally fucking selling both of these. Dude, these things ain't looking too shabby, low key. I mean, to me personally, I just love collecting vehicles, especially Toyotas. And once I get out of this small little town, I'll be making more videos on Toyotas, collecting more, making more videos for you guys. That's at least the goal plan right now. I'm stuck in this little town and gotta get somewhere, And I mean, honestly, though, low key, I'd love to go and buy this thing. This thing is not that bad at all. It's freaking gorgeous. I'll give them that. Like, whoo, damn. Pretty freaking gorgeous, I'll say for sure. But honestly, fellas, 4,200 or 3 grand, which one are you guys rocking with so far? Would you rather end up spending $9,500 on this 2000 Toyota Tacoma TRD listed a day going North Bend OR? Whoo, driven 314,000 miles on a manual transmission, not looking too shabby, pretty freaking clean interior. Like, whoo, whoa. Oh, damn, bro. Holy fucking A. It's so goddamn clean there. Dude, what the fuck? Is this like a sauna? I'm kidding. I don't know. No, so we got a lot of shit we're rocking with. Lots more. I'm forgetting. Do not message me if you are not willing to come look in person. 9,500 OVO equipped with, it's equipped with airbags. Frame was touched up and repainted black. Rough country LED lights. Kenworth Bluetooth stereo. Okay, fair enough. Brand new MCM Fab. Okay, all new Bliston. Okay, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Only rocking with 5 picks, but honestly looking pretty freaking gorgeous all the way around. Now I can see why it's going for 9,500. I mean, low key. Wait, what the fuck was that jack doing? What the fuck, boys? Look at that unevenness of his jack. Look at that. It's like right here on this. What? Dude, it's like right on the edge. That's not safe, bro. That is not. I mean, I get you got jacks, but come on, bro. You can be more safe than that. You can be a good big boy, I know. Come on, be a big boy. Be more safe. Tuck it up underneath there a bit more. I mean, you're doing pretty good with that big block there, eh? I mean, freaking gorgeous clean interior. Manual transmission, 9,500 OBO. It's the 3.4 liter Toyota Tacoma, excellent condition. Low key, yes, absolutely. Would you buy this, or would you rather end up spending 12 grand on this 1999 Toyota Tacoma extra cab going for 103,000 miles? Wow. Listed 2 days ago in Salt Lake City, Utah. Ooh, heavy D's out there. Not too shabby, bro. We got a fully rebuilt motor. I'm assuming it's a 3.4 liter V6. Frame, it's been reinforced. Front end, both upper and lower ball joint steering rack. But okay, kind of get the gist. I don't want to go on and on. It's got the 3.4 liter V6 4x4 auto transmission. Most parts, seals, sensors around the engine, seals on the transfer case and on the new transmission have the same mileage as the engine and OEM Toyota as well. Upgraded headers, JBA. Okay, fair enough. Trucks, 355,000 miles. Late rust on body, 26-year-old Toyota paint. I mean, fair enough. He says toolbox on the driver's side. Who buys it can take the old engine and transmission. What the fuck fuck is what? Oh, okay, sometimes the way these people word things just kind of makes me go, what the what? I mean, so it's got an extra engine transmission on the side. It can go with it. Ain't looking too shabby. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that. You got a whole freaking extra transmission on the side to go with it and a whole nother engine. Dude, that's a killer bang for your buck. Oh yeah, just gorgeous, buds. I mean, I don't know about you fellas. Would you go and cop this for 12 grand? I mean, I get we got freaking 4 banger options out of today's video. Which one are you guys going to choose from the cheapest to the freaking most expensive? Going from this one being the third, just absolutely gorgeous condition. This one you get a whole extra engine and transmission. This guy being sold by the same people here. I mean, I get $4,200 for this. That's fucking stupid. This is reasonable, 3 grand. But why is this one being sold for more? I don't understand that with some people. It just, like, there's barely anything there. There's more to it here. Or why not just sell them as a combo deal, you motherfucker? Fellas, 4 freaking banger options. Which one are you guys rocking with in today's video? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next.